Hey guys, welcome back to Cayden's Corner, the YouTube channel where you learn the hottest topics in sports in under 2 minutes. Let's begin. The NBA season has been canceled for close to a month now, and with the Chinese Basketball Association shutting down, the NBA is angling to shut their season down. So if it is in fact canceled or not, these are my predictions for the rest of the season. Starting off with the Rookie of the Year, I have Ja Morant. He simply played spectacular this season and will be a star in the league. For the Coach of the Year, I have Frank Vogel. After having a losing record last year, he has carried this team to have the second best record in the NBA. Not to mention, he's leading us to the playoffs for the first time in 7 years. For the Defensive Player of the Year, I have the Miami Heat's Hassan Whiteside. He has the most blocks in the NBA and has the second most defensive rebounds. He is a great rim protector and very hard to score on. For my MVP, I have Giannis Antetokounmpo. I do believe that LeBron deserves this award, but I think Giannis will win. He's been simply dominant this year, having the best defensive rating in the NBA among a player and averaging the third most points per game. He will be the back-to-back MVP. In the Eastern Conference Finals, the Bucks and Celtics will face off. With the Celtics being the underdog, I have them moving on to the finals. With their brilliant head coach Brad Stevens and the Celtics' great defense, they're simply the best team for shutting down Giannis. In the Western Conference Finals, I have the Lakers playing the Clippers for the Battle of LA. The Clippers have an outstanding defense, but it is no match for the Lakers. With the Lakers being able to get it done on both sides of the court, having the third best defensive rating and the second best offensive rating, they will move on to the finals. In the finals, we have a classic matchup between the Celtics and the Lakers. The series will be very close and down to the wire. It will go 6 games in favor of the Lakers. They will win the finals and be tied for the most championships in NBA history. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I'm Cayden, and this is my corner.